Well, so I've been chasing this misfire. It's been a couple of weeks already. I usually go between this vehicle right here or the Fleetwood, but I figure, I'm in the Midwest. It's a nice day. I gotta try to do something about this vehicle now. So I tried to. I was chasing the vacuum leak. I think I found it, but now here's my thing. It always gives me a cylinder 3 misfire. So I swapped injectors, fuel injectors. That wasn't it. I swapped spark plugs. That wasn't it. I swapped the coil. That wasn't it. So I started checking with this little checker right here. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but as soon as I check this one, I have power in there. Number 2, sorry. I got power there. But as soon as I go to 3, it shorts out. I mean, you guys can hear it a little bit probably, but it beeps. It shows me power, but then it shuts off. So I don't have a constant power going in there. It's a wiring. I hope it's a wire issue. Maybe I don't have enough voltage going on in there, but now if I go to the other side, it looks like I got enough juice going to all of them. I go here, that looks good. That one looks over there. This one, that one is good, I guess. So it seems like cylinder 3 is the one giving me an issue. Now, like I said, I already swapped spark plugs, coils, and even the fuel injector. So now I gotta try to figure it out. Why am I getting that misfire? I mean, the truck has been running for the last 20 minutes. I got no check engine light in there, so that's a good thing for now. But I'm sure once I get it going, once I get on the street and I start driving it, it might come up. But I don't know. Now I gotta try to find out where this why that coil number 3 is not acting the same way as the other ones. Anybody has any ideas? Let me know. Thank you.